Welcome. In this lesson, let's learn what an equity fund is. This matters because the word fund can hide what happens to your money, what you actually own, and why the value can still fall. By the end, you will be able to explain the full path from investor contributions to company shares, fund units that represent investor ownership, the fund's per unit value called net asset value, and the market risk that remains. This is investor education, not a recommendation or a promise of returns. Start with investor contributions. Different investors send money into one pooled equity fund scheme. Pooling means the scheme can deploy the combined money as one portfolio, one collection of holdings, instead of each person building that collection alone. The pool is a shared investment structure. It does not make gains certain, and it does not erase losses. Next, the fund deploys the pooled money mainly into company shares. A share is a piece of a company. The important word is mainly. An equity fund's defining exposure comes from the shares held in its portfolio, even though operational cash or other permitted holdings may also appear. The shareholdings, not the fund label alone, create the equity exposure. Now comes the ownership distinction. In return for the contribution, fund units travel back to each investor. You own units of the equity fund, giving you exposure to the pooled portfolio through the fund. You do not personally own a hand-picked basket of those company shares just because the fund holds them. The fund owns the portfolio holdings. Your ownership is represented by fund units. Those units connect your investment to the portfolio through net asset value, or NAV. When the values of the underlying company shares change, the value of the fund's portfolio changes. That feeds into NAV, so the value and return of your units can move as well. NAV is the per-unit link to the underlying portfolio. It is not a fixed return and not a guarantee that the next move will be up. Here is the risk misconception to remove. Holding shares across several companies and sectors can reduce concentration in one company. But diversification cannot remove broad market risk. When a market-wide shock pushes many underlying shares down together, the equity fund portfolio can fall, NAV can fall, and investors' unit values can fall. Spreading holdings is not the same as becoming market-proof. Here is the concise explanation to keep. Investors contribute to one pooled equity fund scheme. The fund invests mainly in company shares, while investors receive fund units rather than a personally selected stock basket. Unit NAV and returns move with the underlying share values. Diversification can reduce company-specific concentration, but broad market risk remains. Share your feedback or questions in the comments, subscribe for the next investor education lesson, and open this lesson in the ExamMaster app. This is education, not a recommendation.